Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna cut out our Cougar House Fab 4-link frame side mounts. We're gonna do this. Let's get started. Uh-oh. Snap-on guys here. We're just paying our bills today, but we'll give you guys another tour of the truck. How you doing, Derek? Good. Now that we got this frame bracket all cut out, ready to weld together here. Well, we got it tacked a little bit, the side, back piece, front piece I mean. And now we're ready to go ahead and take the Heims, stick them in here, or Heims, the FAB ballistic joints. Put those in here with their bolts, clamp it together with those, and then we'll tack it, cleaning it up with some acetone, and then spray it with anti-spatter, and then we'll fully weld it up. Let's do it. Alright guys, that's how far we got on the Cougar House Fab 4-link kit on the Silverado this afternoon. We started out by designing up the frame side long arm brackets in the engineering PC. Then we took them over, got them cut out on the Bailey 4x4 plasma table. And then once we had all of our shapes made, we drilled some holes in them because we didn't want to use the plasma table to do it until we figured out strategically where we wanted to put these holes on the frame, because there's like an ABS pump inside of it and some bolts for other things, so we had to strategically place those. So we got those drilled out with the drill press, and then when we design up the sister to this bracket, we'll be able to measure off that one and put them in the engineering PC, and then the plasma cutter can cut those out. So we got the driver's side bracket all fully welded together. We tacked it, made sure it's how we wanted it, and then we fully welded it up, you know, of course, after we used acetone and anti-spatter, right? And then we're able to get that piece completely made, as you guys saw. So tomorrow we'll come in here and we'll actually start to weld together the link arms, the long arms. We got to weld together the bracket that actually is at the other end of the link arm that goes onto the Super Duty Axles radius arm mount. So we'll show you guys that then. But yeah, that's pretty good. You know, not too crazy of a video, but you know, we have to get these pieces cut out and made, and they take time. So we got that, the frame side bracket done tomorrow morning. We'll cut out and make the sister to it, and then we'll move on actually welding together the long arms. But until then, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for your constant support as always. Thank you so much to the new subscribers. I mean, thank you guys for coming to the channel and checking it out and subscribing. It's super awesome to see how many people are joining in. And if you guys like Cougar House Garage, you like what we do, please check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Please leave a comment. Let us know what you think of the Silverado project and where we're at with these frame side Cougar House Fab brackets. And if you guys like, and then check us out Facebook/Cougar House Garage, and then we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram. Guys, follow along there with all the crazy projects. We'll see you tomorrow.